Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking another look at the Latercase. I currently have this for my iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max, just the regular size. And I've had it for about a week, and let me tell you what I like and what I don't like about it. I'm going to start with what I don't like about it, and this is a very me thing. It's something that I only have to deal with maybe a few other people out there. I like to watch videos on my phone in the shower, and I have a little shelf that's kind of had the tile material, and I always have put phones with this kind of TPU plastic lodged up right here against the wall, and they never slid down, nothing ever happened. I was fine with it, but I tried doing the exact same thing here, and when this becomes wet, it loses any kind of grip on it, and that unfortunately is just, you know, it kind of upsets me because I like watching my videos. I'm gonna have to figure out maybe putting a pop socket back on here, which I never have tried. It's just something that, you know, I don't want to think about. But that's really the only negative I've had. I love how thin this case is. I love the material and the way that this really feels. It has this nice woven material. It has good cutouts for the power button, the the mute switch, and volume rockers, and then of course here on the top, you know, I don't know why this is kind of open, but maybe it's just for swiping, because the way that this does not have a lip over the edge of the phone, you kind of feel more screen and before you're hit with the actual case. It almost feels like this phone is naked, because I think it's what, 0.6 millimeters thin. It's an extremely thin case and something that I really love. But of course I love here that there is a ridge so the camera does not get like injured or scratched or anything like that. And of course then there's a nice big gap here for the speaker and lightning port and microphone and everything down there. But of course, because these cutouts are open, when you slide up, you're really not touching the case at all. You're touching just the phone. So I appreciate whatever this is here, whatever design ideas were taken to make this. This has been something that's really resonated with me. Now, I don't know about any other Kevlar or woven cases like this. Maybe they're all like this. But for me, the case that I chose here, the Latercase, it just works. It works for me. It's something that I'm going to keep on here for the time being, for as long as I can think. I may not even go back to a different case, but if I ever change it, I'm going to let everyone know here. But I would recommend the Latercase. When I purchased it, I got it for $35 when they had a $10 discount. Now, I don't believe that discount's in effect, so it is $45. And then I have it for a number of the newest phones out there. And I believe you can also recommend phones that you would like included later on. For me, I have a secondary phone, which is an iPhone 6S. I wouldn't mind having that same case on here because it would just make for an extremely thin and just like beautiful phone. So I would say give it a try. If you didn't know, the Latercase is made by the same guy that does Unbox Therapy and Lou Later, two popular YouTube channels and shows. But if you have any questions on anything, let me know in the comment section below, and we'll see if we can get these answered for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.